Hello friends, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle, and here's wishing you all warm greetings for these festive occasions. Wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. And to continue with our Diwali preparations, today we are going to cook some besan laddus that are flavored with butterscotch as a fun element and sweetened with jaggery in place of sugar. Jaggery has its own importance in winter months, and besan, because of its low glycemic index, is excellent for dessert laddus. So without any further ado, let's get cooking, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, and please click on the bell icon so that you get the latest updates of my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as my Diwali gift I expect more subscriptions. Thank you so much.
For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of milk powder, 1 cup of besan also called as split chickpea flour or gram flour, 3/4 cup of desi ghee, half a cup of jaggery. Now this can depend on your sweet tooth, so you may alter it based on your preference. 1/4 cup of coarsely crushed butterscotch pearls. These are easily available either with many grocers or online on Amazon.com. 1.5 teaspoon of green cardamom powder and slivers of nuts of your choice. It may be either almonds or pistachios. To begin with, heat ghee in a heated wok and let it melt. Once your ghee melts, add in your besan or the gram flour and begin to roast it on a low flame by constantly stirring it. This process will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Besan or split chickpea flour or gram flour is known to have a lot of complex carbohydrates and thereby a low glycemic index, thereby it has the power to satiate and control your sweet cravings. It is rich in folates and thereby is important in growth and multiplication of both RBCs and WBCs in your bone marrow. After about 20 minutes of roasting besan on a low flame, add the milk powder and about a teaspoon of cardamom powder with a pinch of salt. Mix it well, and now put off the flame, and while the mixture is still hot, add in your jaggery. Since I was out of whole jaggery, so I am using jaggery powder here, but the best bet to use is the whole jaggery which is grated, because that has more sticky qualities. Since I love the crackling qualities of butterscotch pearls, and hence I am adding here to this laddus because it makes it much more fun and interesting, but if you don't prefer it, you can simply skip it. Jaggery is great to be had in winters because it keeps your chest clear from congestion. While the mixture is still hot, I am going to roll these into laddus by greasing my palms with a little bit of ghee or oil. These laddus can be kept outside at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 3 weeks. Garnish these with either slivers of almond or pistachio as per your choice.